our prayers are with everybody who.
Let's call on Mr. B.D. Park to join them on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. B.D. Park with Shahid and Shraddha Kapoor, spelled differently.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing Club Samsung.
Okay, Club Samsung's out, please. And Club Samsung, of course, non-stop music, movies, soaps, sports and news, all on new Club Samsung. Ladies and gentlemen, photo op time, please. Take as many photographs as you want. Can we have the phones facing the camera? Okay, Tarun, part 2 in our tete-a-tete question session is with Shraddha, who I must say mustn't call me uncle. She's very young. Yeah. I'm going off the script. I'm so sorry, Tarun.
I'm getting a little nervous. This is not really work for me.
Go ahead. Go back to your script. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so you were saying something. Why don't you just
No, I was giving you a chance to talk to Shraddha because I thought you need to ask a question.
Okay, Shraddha. So, while we were talking to Shraddha, she said that she has a lot of problems because she kind of goes out and she wants to catch up on her TV programs and everything else, and she doesn't get time. And
she's very busy, basically, because she's a very super successful actress right now. And I'm told you work 2 shifts and you have no time for a life to watch TV.
But happily so right now. It's good. I've been waiting for that for a very long time. So happily so. But yeah, of course, because you're on the go now, or rather, I am more on the go now. So I end up missing some of my favorite TV shows which play on TV, and obviously you can't carry a
So let me kind of help you out. Just walk with me.
Okay.
Let me show you.
Let her finish saying. Oh, I'm listening.
No, he wants to help me, so he must.
I'm going to help. I'm going to kind of do it faster for you. Can I have the screen, please? So, okay. Let me give you the first glimpse of. This is the sort of first glimpse of Club Samsung, and as you can see on the screen, you could even see on the monitor. You get a whole backdrop of the movie. You get a choice of picking up your music, your movies, your videos, and your live TV. So we have almost, that's a Big Boss trailer. Unfortunately, we couldn't have Salman Khan, otherwise we've done some promotion for Big Boss. Also, so you have all 90 channels up available on your phone.
Exactly.
Live streaming as you go.
Exactly, as you go. So it's more convenient for me. It's really cool that this new app, this new product which has come, it's at the palm of your hands and you can stream whatever you like. Club Samsung. It makes life convenient. So that's awesome.
Does it excite you?
Of course it excites me, because then I don't have to feel like I've missed out on something, or I can't discuss my favorite shows with my friends.
It covers all regional, Hindi, English, all sort of channels.
It's a very convenient thing more than anything. It's
Great.
awesome.
All right. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you so much. And I think somebody's left out, feeling a little upset. He whispered he wants to talk to the audience for the next 10-15 minutes on his own. Shahid Kapoor, you have lots to say, but Tarun is the quiz master, so I'll leave it to him.
Yes, Shahid. So you've been talking about your fitness schedule and, you going to your gym and stuff like that, and you have a problem while you're driving, you want to use the phone, and you were talking something about the jog dial.
Yeah, you pretty much told them my problem, so I'll just listen to the solution now.
Okay, so, yes, and then you can even share it on the social network through a messenger or a SMS, the way you want it.
Also, you were telling me that once you download something, you can access it even when you're offline.
Yes, so
which I think is really convenient.
It
because
offers you streaming, download, and
yeah, because a lot of times you're in places, especially because we travel so much and we shoot in different places, and a lot of times you don't have network, and you get very frustrated that you can't access the music that you might like. So I think that's what's very cool about it, is that if I've downloaded the stuff that I like, I can access it at any point in time, which again is something very convenient.
Does it excite you?
Very much.
Okay, great.
How much does it excite you?
Oh, well, I'm the father of the product.
You have to show us a dance step if it excites you.
Come on, Tarun. Quick dance.
One step we can do. Come on.
You want to see Tarun dance?
We'll show you a very simple
Every time,
step.
same filmy function, film stars dancing.
We have to do one step.
Okay,
one step.
So step and back.
Come on, Tarun.
And step
And step.
And back.
This will take 1 hour.
And step and back.
Okay, we've seen the act now. Shahid, it's not working.
And step. Wait, man, we're just getting into the groove right now. Step and back. That's nice. That's nice.
Good. Thank you so
So
much.
we're both very, very excited.
See, all this thanks to technology. You would never learn to dance.
Absolutely.
Thanks to Samsung. Thank you so much, Tarun. Big hand for our quiz master, Tarun. But there are lots of people here like me who don't understand technology or cannot learn so quickly. So you have used one of your famous filmmaker contacts and you put together a short film apparently.
It's actually meant for people like you who are not so well versed in technology.
Not so intelligent.
So can I have the video, please?
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes of explanation. 1 minute. Don't worry. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Club Samsung with non-stop entertainment, a platform for everything, every single thing. But we have time for a question-answer session. We have 2 hours more booking ka, I think till 2 o'clock, 2:30 hai. So guys, can you all just stand around the chairs or sit? Wajid is touching me in a very nice way. But it's question and answer time. So is there anyone with a question for Club Samsung? Yes, sir. Go ahead.
क्या है, मैं श्रद्धा जी से पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो और कहीं भी आप उसको सुन सकते हो, लेकिन आजकल गाड़ी चलाते हुए तो आप गाना सुनना वो भी अपराध है, आप जानते हैं। तो ऐसे में
ये तो ट्रिक क्वेश्चन है मैडम।
हाँ, तो
नहीं,
श्रद्धा जी
आप तो बोल रहे हो कि अगर सॉरी बट आप मतलब गाना सुन के म्यूजिक सुन के गाड़ी चलाना अपराध है?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो
तो सब रेडियो स्टेशंस बंद हो जाएंगे, क्या बात करिए आप?
नहीं तो फिर वो आप पुलिस वाले पकड़ लेते हैं, कई बार ऐसा मैंने देखा आपने।
नहीं, अगर आप मोबाइल पे बात कर रही हैं और हेडफोन्स हैं आपके कान में तो पकड़ते हैं। ऐसे आप म्यूजिक बजाएंगे थोड़ी पकड़ते हैं आपको।
उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन फिर भी माइंड थोड़ा डाइवर्ट तो होता ही है।
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
तो मेरा प्रश्न श्रद्धा जी से यही है कि आप ऐसा कौन सा टाइम निकालेंगी जिसमें आप गाना सुनना पसंद करेंगी और आप कितनी टेक्नो सेवी है, बस यही प्रश्न।
पहली बात तो ये है कि आप गाना जब गाड़ी चला रहे हो आप फ़ोन को अपने कान पे रख के गाना नहीं सुनते, पहली बात तो वो है। ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट करके या फिर वो जो ऑक्स केबल है उसको कनेक्ट करके आप सुन सकते हैं, या फिर अगर आपके गाड़ी का स्पीकर ख़राब हो गया है तो आप अपने फ़ोन को स्पीकर फ़ोन पे लगा के वो गाना सुन सकते हैं। पर डेफिनेटली जो आप कह रही है, यू कांट ड्राइव एंड लिसन टू द सॉन्ग कीपिंग द फोन इन योर ईयर। और
ये क्वेश्चन पुलिस के लिए है। आई थिंक देयर इज अनदर पुलिस मीटिंग इसके बाद, वी कैन आस्क देम। पर थैंक यू मैम। और सवाल जवाब यस नो के जैसे हैं तो बेटर।
Shahid and Shraddha, I have another question. Moving to your movie, like most of the parts you have shot.
Can we answer this question?
Go ahead.
Thank you. Sorry,
Thank
what?
you. Yeah, you have most of the parts of the movie you've shot in Jammu and Kashmir, and now you know the situation. There's
Yes.
start going on. So what's your call, and in which way you would like to help the victims of there?
I think any kind of work that you do which is from a charitable point of view, I prefer not to talk about it to the media because I think that kind of makes it look like you're doing it to promote or to show that you're doing something. But rest assured, Kashmir was an amazing experience. I think everybody is rather shell-shocked with what has happened there. Our prayers are with everybody who has been a part of the situation. In fact, one of my very close friends was there and she was stuck for 3 days she's almost like family for me, and she was stuck there for 3 days with some part of her family, and so I directly was somewhere invested in it, and I actually felt what people must have felt. As a film and as individuals, we are all looking at doing things in our own way, and but it's not something which on this platform needs to be discussed or discussed at all. I think that's something that you do for yourself as a human being and not to talk about in front of the media. But our prayers are with all the people in Kashmir, and it's very tragic and it's very sad.
Hi, Shahid, Shraddha, Sajid bhai and Wajid bhai. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले साइरस ने भी ये सवाल पूछा। मेरा नाम आलोक है, मैं OAFM से हूँ। आपके राइट
आप कहाँ हैं?
इधर राइट
Oh, right there. हाँ।
तो
रघु from MTV? अरे
No. वायरस फ्रॉम साइरस। आप चारों के फेवरेट फिल्म और गाना कौन कौन सा है? एक रैपिड फायर टाइप का अगर आप बता दें, क्योंकि थोड़ी देर पहले साइरस हम सभी से पूछ रहे थे। कोई ऐसा गीत जो आप अक्सर कार में सुनना चाहते हैं, एंड कोई ऐसी फिल्म जो आप बार बार देखना चाहते हैं, तो क्लब सैमसंग से कुछ अटैचमेंट टाइप का हो सकता है। फिल्म एंड सॉन्ग।
अंदाज अपना अपना।
एंड
सॉन्ग बहुत सॉन्ग्स हैं।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
many songs.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday is my favorite.
ये अवेलेबल है आपके ऐप पे, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। फिर तो ये बहुत रोज डाउनलोड होगा।
Favorite movie, favorite song, fast.
Favorite movie, it's difficult to say, but I can see this film called Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. My father was a part of it. I can see it over and over and over again. So maybe that, if it's available on the app.
It is.
In terms of songs, right now I would be listening to Aao Na from Heather.
साहिद भाई मौजूद है?
Hi,
शाहिद एंड श्रद्धा यहाँ पे
एक सेकंड जवाब हो जाने.
One check. Wajid is finally answering. Quick.
बोल के गा के
गा के.
हाँ गा के. ये तो at least प्रश्न उत्तर will shut finally. Come on, let's go.
गाने तो बहुत सारे हैं but I love nowadays I love आ रात भर, so I would like that song to be there. आ रात भर.
No singing, Wajid? एक दो लाइन. हो जाएगा. Shall we 2 lines? हाँ. Lunch के लिए time है. Shall we, Wajid? We need to show some respect.
आ रात भर, आ रात भर, जाए ना घर, जाए ना घर. Thank you.
Woo!
Hi, Shahid.
तुमने नोट किया बोले आ रात भर जाए ना घर. इसका फेवरेट
Part of our culture.
शाहिद एंड श्रद्धा यहाँ पे आपके साथ.
आप जोर से चिल्ला के बोलिए, यहाँ कोई चुप रहने वाला मैं नहीं है. You have to show your.
पूजा, मैं आपसे शाहिद पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप कितने गैजेट्स फ्रिक है और कौन सा मोबाइल इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कौन कौन से ऐप आपने उसमें डाउनलोड किए.
अभी आपने देखा मैंने अपनी पॉकेट से कौन सा फोन निकाला? देखा नहीं, अभी वहीं रखा हुआ है. देखिए वो, मैं आपको प्रूफ दिखाता हूँ. सैमसंग है.
Reverb.
और उसके अंदर सैमसंग क्लब वर्ल्ड भी है.
आई थिंक yesterday it was different. आईफोन था कल.
Which phone was it yesterday?
What are you saying?
iPhone. Yesterday was iPhone.
You're saying our actors are like that we give them free dates and that's the.
What lies? आपके पास एक ही नंबर है? नहीं, एक सेकंड. आपके पास एक ही नंबर है?
Of course.
मेरे पास बड़े सारे नंबर्स हैं.
स्टार्स पर सबकी निगाह होती है.
नहीं, बस मेरे पास कई सारे नंबर्स हैं मैम. तो
So madam already knows the
I'm
answer.
not asking you your number. I'm just asking you कि which application you download and which phone you are using.
I told you Samsung and Club Samsung. You don't want to believe me, then what do I do?
Ma'am, contractual obligation भी है. Please let us off the hook यार. Next.
श्रद्धा शाहिद यहाँ पे.
हाँ जी सर.
आप दोनों से जानना चाहूंगा, क्लब सैमसंग तो है ही, लेकिन इसके अलावा कौन सा एप्लीकेशन है जिसके
भाई ये तो हो गया.
मुझे तो लगा था
हो गया, लेकिन इसके अलावा
और एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं.
जी हाँ, होते हैं.
मैं तो सिर्फ क्लब सैमसंग देखा है. बहुत अच्छा है.
No lunch for you, Rakesh.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि कोई और ऐप है.
नहीं, मैं खाना खा के आया.
के बाद
कौन से ऐप है यार?
खाना खिलाते हैं हम लोग फिर भी.
व्हाट्सएप है, BBM है, और भी बहुत सारे.
लेकिन इस पे मीडिया स्ट्रीम नहीं कर सकते, डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते. नहीं कर सकते व्हाट्सएप.
New brand ambassador. Well done.
Shahid, you're such a wonderful dancer. Have you never thought of learning Kathak from your mother?
तुम लोग इतना हूट कर रहे हो, चक्कर क्या है?
और ये भी कोई सैमसंग का कनेक्शन होगा इसमें, because we'll download that and play it later. Something.
यहाँ पर सैमसंग वाले रूम के अंदर सब सच बोला जाता है, तो बोल दो जो भी है तुम्हारे मन में. Sorry, what was your question again, sir? इतना ये लोग आवाज कर रहे हैं, I couldn't hear what you were saying. Sorry.
You're such a wonderful dancer.
जी, thank you.
But you never thought of learning Kathak from your mother?
Actually, when I was a kid, I was very fascinated by the dance form, I must confess. But somehow I never learned it. But yeah, I think it's a beautiful dance form. I always used to travel with my mother a lot. जब वो stage shows करती थी, I've seen a lot of performances by Pandit Birju Maharaj. I've actually spent a lot of time with him because my mom was his disciple, so I got to spend a lot of time with him in Kathak Kendra in Delhi. But yeah, I never learnt it. I was always excited when I saw Michael Jackson, so I wanted to learn more Western forms of dance. And my mother was very evolved, so she never really forced me to do anything which she felt she was doing. She always wanted me to do whatever it is that I enjoyed. So,
but maybe Vijay bhai, you can teach him later once the thing is over. A few tips, Shahid.
I think Cyrus, we should tie some ghungroos on you. It will be a more entertaining experience.
Vijay bhai has already taught me. That's why I'm recommending it. Okay, last two questions.
Shahid,
last two questions.
That topic.
Yeah, you'll have to go for a shoot. Last
Shahid,
two questions.
पहले मैं disclaimer दे देता हूँ. आप पूछिए आपको जो पूछना है.
Okay. Your pairing with Shraddha in Heather is being appreciated a lot, and she's also a light-eyed heroine like Kareena Kapoor. So you've spoken about your pairing with Kareena didn't work in the first 3 films, but it worked in Jab We Met. So what are your expectations from Heather?
कोई भी यार light eyed हो, dark eyed हो, no eyed हो, many eyed हो, you want your pairing to you want your pairing to work in every film. So I don't think anybody does a film together. यार चलो पिक्चर करते हैं और अपनी pairing नहीं चलेगी.
But we know what you're trying to ask, sir. You'll have to do that some other time because it's about Samsung. Moving on.
Hi Shraddha.
Club
Hi
Samsung.
Shraddha. Your fans on Twitter, they want to know how much has the character influenced the both of you from Heather?
From Heather, Arshia, who is playing one feisty journalist. So definitely some inspiration from all you guys out there, which I've tried to use in the film. So once you see the film, you guys can say how successful I have been. But I think one good quality would be that she stands for being completely honest and being completely righteous, even if it comes down to her loved ones. So she won't be unfair in that aspect. Sometimes you give that leeway to your loved ones, but she's very fair that way. So I would say that. But you guys have to watch it and say if I'm able to play that journalist up to the mark.
ये कई बार होता है that when somebody asks you a question and then the question is over and then you start answering it and they pass the mic on and they're looking here and they're looking there, so you don't know who to talk to. I'm so happy that you're actually looking at us and you're interested. Thank you. Well, I think Heather is a very complex part, and I think it required a lot of time and a lot of, honestly, I was very dependent on Vishal sir. I would say the kind of character that Heather is, he's more like a thinking man's hero. He's somebody who just gets up and punches people and, you know, resolves the issue kind of scenario. He's really somebody who's sensitive and vulnerable and real and normal and would probably respond to things the same way that you and I would in a real situation in life. That's what made it so interesting to play the character, because there are various complexities that you get to portray. So yes, it did have an impact on me. I was told by my family that I really seemed rather different from how I usually am when I was doing Heather. I hope that kind of answers your question.
Okay,
I needed to ask you, you have a very great hair, in fact, like soft and silky. When you got bald, how much were you missing your hair, and now the hair has come back, how much are you missing the bald?
Soft and silky? Anyway, that's your question.
Okay.
Fast.
Especially when I listen to songs from Club Samsung, my hair goes bounce, bounce, bounce. Some way of saying.
Okay guys, sorry, we have to wrap it up here. They're in the middle of a recording. He's completely answered.
No, I actually enjoyed being bald because it felt very nice when nice hot water fell directly on your bald head as opposed to going through hair. It's a very different experience. You should try it sometime. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Ho jayega.
And then we can have a chat about it. I actually am happy with and without hair. Whatever my director needs, whatever my film needs, I'm happy to do that.
Okay. Sorry guys, no, we
Shahid, your film is releasing on 2nd October. Also, Bang Bang is going to release it on the same day. So, do you think that somewhere that will affect the business of the film?
No, but this is about Club
I have answered
Samsung.
this question 70,000 times. Yeah. How many times to answer?
71,000.
No, so listen, ma'am, we'll come back with the release.
For that, you have to ask me 1,000 times more. Because you said 71,000 times.
You hear about Club Samsung, so sorry, we have to stop here because we have to give the room back.
एक तू नहीं बात करने दे रहा, एक वो नहीं बात करने दे रहे यार, हम बात ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Vijay Shankar is doing a dance recital in 15 minutes. I have to give up the room. Thank you so much for coming, everybody. Let us thank Sajid, Wajid, Shahid,
my question
Shraddha,
is to Sajid
and
Wajid
Tarun.
Saab. Last question, please.
Paji,
Sajid Saab,
Tarun is here to
what
talk.
will be your role in Club Samsung? Whether how you will be introducing singles and all on this platform?
Yes, of course. We will definitely introduce a very different kind of musicians, singers, and we have already collected. The Club Samsung is already full. And the kind of music which is going to come, it is not available anywhere. You know, किसी ने अभी पूछा था, what is exclusive about Club Samsung? The thing which you will get it on Club Samsung, you will never get it on any app, on any phone. So I think that is something very different. And as you all know, Sajid Wajid is known for their surprises, melodies, and arrangement. You will have a ball time, trust me.
All right, guys, thank you so much from the family here at Club Samsung. Thank you for coming.
Thank you all so
Khana
much.
is free. And our thanks to our stars. Again, Shahid, Shraddha, Wajid, Sajid, and of course, Tarun. Thank you. Outside, enjoy the food. There's no alcohol, but if you come back at 7:30, there's a recital.